In just 2 minutes, we'll guide you through installing and setting up your Solarfox display. This process generally takes 15 minutes. Commissioning the Solarfox Display 32 SF-100 model. Register at setup.solar-fox.com. You will find your serial number on the delivery note and invoice. You can now log in at show.solar-fox.com. You can already make adjustments to your slideshow. You can now start installing the display. Unpack and place the Solarfox display face down on its box. Detach the wall mount plate to measure and mark the points for drilling. Ensure that the plate is secure with the suitable plugs. Firmly secure the wall mount plate to the wall. Find the power supply for the mini computer with the right adapter for your region. Power is needed for both the mini computer and the monitor. Hang the display onto the wall and plug in the connectors. Connect a USB keyboard to the mini computer to start the setup wizard. Configure the internet settings and link your Solarfox account. Remove the keyboard at the end to start the slideshow. The Solarfox display setup is now complete.